people, what's happening? Just yeah, thought I'd start this whole YouTube thing, to be honest with you. Yeah man, just got up, just having some tea and gonna have some breakfast and all that. I'm gonna get out and about and all that and just crack on. But yeah man, it's like rags to riches kind of thing, like see how we go with the cars and that and business in general, just cracking on. A little bit of vlogging kind of thing, but yeah, just general bits and bobs. But yeah, hope you enjoy. If you know the score, guys, you know we've got a bit of Jesse Collin on at the minute. Fucking love watching Jesse, he's gangster. But yeah, Jesse, if you're watching this, good lad, smashing it, mate. But yeah, just about to go get out and about. Got one of the cars at the garage up at Westwood Cross at the park with transmissions. I'll probably pop out there, see how they're cracking on with it. That'd be a nice little low mileage A3 to the TIFF size with DHD gearbox. Be a nice little car when it's done. Just had one of the mechanics ring me, Joe. Joe, you're a fucking legend, mate. Good lad. Just rung me, just picked up a 1.6 Saturday on that I bought on Saturday from Raynham. We're just gonna pick that up. He's gonna try and sort it out. We bought it with a turbo DPF fault. Hopefully he'll be on that ASAP. He's a good lad. I know he is. He's a really good lad. But yeah, got another one up Joe's at the minute, 180 TFSI. So just see how we get on with it. That should be ready this week. Get the new clutch. He's had the timing chain and all that done. That'd be a lovely car it's done. But yeah, I'll upload you pictures and stock and all that. I should have. I'm going to start vlogging when I go and look at cars and all that, just to keep the content flowing and all that. And I'll just tell you about that Saturday one I went to look at on Saturday morning. Got a crack at dawn, went over to Raynham to have a look at it. Girl, bless her, she's lovely, to be fair, selling it. She had it a couple of years, little 1.6 diesel, only done 67,000 miles, lovely little car, blue, just a little Saturday on 5-door. And bless her, I see it up for sale a couple of days before, and it was like 1,500 quid, to be fair, no issues, lovely little car, low mileage and that, just had the camo all pump done. And I thought I was going to bid her, but I thought no, leave it, and obviously I see on, I think the Friday night, she'd lowered it down dropped it down to like 650 or the message. I was like, what's up with it? She's like, the turbo's on its way out, like properly on its way out, the DPF lights on. I was like, oh god. So yeah, when I Saturday first thing, she said a bloke had bought it on Friday and test drove it and I loved it, and then half an hour later bought it back and said it's so she put it upstairs, bless her, to get a van or something. So I went and bought that, and it's a really lovely little car, to be fair, when it's done. But yeah, so I'll keep you updated with what stock we got in at the minute and all that and what's going on. But just trying to keep the ball rolling as quick as we can, really, just keep flipping them. But yeah, all in due course. I didn't tell you when got carried away, I think on Saturday. After I bought that Saturday in the morning, and on the evening I was on the computer looking at reg transfers, which you do. I'm always on there looking at plates and stuff. And was looking at the auction, and it was ending in 50 minutes, and I had a little look at the auction. I was messaging my mate at the time, shout out to you, Shane, good lad. And I was messaging him, and I see a couple cool number plates, see Mr. 11 SXC, Mr. Sexy, and no 11 cap, no cap. So I thought, put a little cheeky bid in. Won them both for 200 odd including fees, so I was quite happy for that. So if anyone's after some plates, got some plates to sell. I've got one go through auction this week actually, RE60 NLA, Regan LA or Regan Lad, however you look at it. It's nothing special, but it's worth a few quid, so I took it off a car, I'd come in as a bit of stock. But yeah, it's got to stay on it, boys. Pushed it. See you in a bit.